In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify store time zone on desktop. Getting your store's time zone right ensures that order timestamps, reports, discounts, and scheduled launches line up with your business hours. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to click and why it matters. First, sign in to your Shopify admin on your desktop browser. Make sure you're logged into the correct store if you manage more than one, and that your account has permission to edit store settings. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look to the lower left corner of the screen for the gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click it. This is where Shopify keeps all your store-wide preferences. Inside Settings, you may see different labels depending on your admin layout. Look for General, or you might see Store Details, and a section called Store Defaults. You're aiming for the area that controls your store's basic information and operational settings. Open that and scroll until you find the time zone option. The time zone setting controls how Shopify records and displays your store's official time. That affects when orders are marked as placed, how reports summarize your sales by day, and when scheduled discounts or automations start and end. Because of that, it's best to choose the time zone that matches the primary location where your business operates. When you're selecting from the drop-down, pick the specific region or city that applies to you, not just a generic offset. Choosing a city helps Shopify handle daylight saving time automatically so your schedules stay accurate year-round. If the list is long, type the city name to filter quickly. For example, searching the city nearest to your headquarters or fulfillment center is usually the safest choice. If your team works in one region but your customers are elsewhere, think about which time you want your store to run on for reporting and promotions, then select that zone accordingly. After you've made your choice, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your settings were updated. From this point forward, your store will use the new time zone. If you're viewing analytics or scheduling sales, double-check that the times now align with your intention. Some dashboards may need a quick refresh to display the new time correctly. That's it. You logged into Shopify Admin, opened Settings, went to General or Store Details, chose your time zone in Store Defaults, and saved your changes. Keep this setting in mind whenever you expand to new markets or adjust your business hours. You can always come back and update it. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.